can carpets that have sat in storage encounter all sorts of weather, ever be rid from musty smell, and that have taken on due to the weather changes I've been exposed to. I'm talking perhaps 10 years storage. So Nancy has stored her rug, and now she's taken it out what sounds like to be about 10 years time, and now that rug smells musty. Now, I have done another video about storing your rug, and of course Nancy talks here about carpets, but I assume that's rugs, although the equal applies to carpets in the odd case they get stored. You want to store them in Tyvek. Now, in my other video, I talk about storing carpets in Tyvek. This is the type of material, and that allows for breathability through the fabric and also for moisture movement, because you don't want to store it in plastic, otherwise it traps the moisture and it makes that rug even more musty and it can easily rot the rug. So I would advise store it somewhere. In my other video, I do talk about using a hygrometer that measures the temperature and the humidity in the air. It's never good to store that rug in high humidity. No matter how good the wrapping is, you put it in it. So Nancy, I'll send you a link to that video as well, and I hope that it helps. But just so that we answer a question that you might have with regards to now it smell, what do I do? What I would say is the best we can do is give that rug a thorough, deep, wet saturation clean. That is, if it's safe to do so. There are certain rugs that need special testing for that to be done beforehand, but we can always advise if you give us a shout and let us have a look at the rug. But usually saturation clean is the best way to deal with that problem.